Laboratories are centers of innovation, but they're also filled with hidden dangers. Chemicals, biological agents, and specialized equipment create a unique environment that demands strict safety protocols. According to OSHA, lab-related incidents are one of the leading causes of injuries in research institutions. Are you doing enough to stay safe? Introducing the Lab Safety online course from OSHA Online Center. In just 21 minutes, you'll gain critical knowledge to maintain a safe and compliant laboratory environment. This specialized training covers essential lab safety protocols, helping you identify hazards early, use protective equipment correctly, and respond effectively to emergencies. Hazard identification. Learn to recognize chemical, biological, and equipment risks in your lab environment. Proper use of PPE. Discover how to select, use, and maintain lab coats, gloves, eyewear, and respirators. Emergency procedures. Understand what to do in the event of a chemical spill, fire, or accidental exposure. Maintaining a safe environment. Learn best practices for housekeeping, waste disposal, and equipment inspections. Every safe lab starts with well-trained people. This course ensures you know how to prevent accidents before they happen. Upon completion, you'll earn an OSHA-compliant certificate, showcasing your commitment to maintaining a safe and professional laboratory. Click the link in the description and enroll today. In 21 minutes, you'll be equipped to work safely, smartly, and confidently only at OSHA Online Center.